Start your video. Okay, now I'm not going to ask you 3 times to do something next time. Also, please remove whatever is on your head. Also, please know that I am not going to compete with wherever you are. I'm not going to compete. I'm the main attraction this morning. I am the main attraction. Can you call Mrs. Sciotti and see Miss Willie, sit up straight, ma'am, because we looking straight down your blouse. Mr. Flanagan, can you call Mr. Sciotti and see if he has an update on Curitan?
And we stressed that I asked her, I'm like, you got money to go somewhere, but you don't have no money to pay. She's writing as a passenger in a rental car.
Spending money?
If the court lets her go to her mom's birthday in West Virginia.
I don't care whose birthday it is, Miss Stevenson. It could be her birthday. Here, coming to court having done nothing. She was probably planning on going, because you come to court on the 2nd, asking me, can she go somewhere on the 6th? Whatever.
If you are a long-time fan of Judge Bryant, then you have probably noticed she hasn't been herself lately. I don't know if it was because of the holiday season or what. Some people have speculated that she doesn't like content creators with hilarious thumbnails getting views off of her. But I don't know, that seems highly unlikely. Because I've seen her on the A&E channel, unlike the regular old-school traditional television, and everyone knows that they are really the ones getting the bag. Not broke YouTubers with hilarious thumbnails, so why would she be mad at us? She's a smart lady and that doesn't make any sense. Anyways, I say all of that to say all of this. Someone has awoken the sleeping giant, and she's got her mojo back in full effect. Enjoy the show. Like, comment, subscribe.
Please start your video, Miss Marino.
Judge, I don't have privileges, it looks like.
Oh.
I'll change it, yeah.
Okay. Miss Marino, start your video, please. Ma'am, start your video. Okay, now I'm not going to ask you 3 times to do something next time. Also, please remove whatever is on your head. Also, please know that I am not going to compete with wherever you are. I'm not going to compete. I'm the main attraction this morning. I am the main attraction. You have court. So wherever you are, if it's going to interfere with your ability to come to court, that's going to be your problem. Please accept to join the breakout room. Wait for the lawyers to come in to speak with you. You must be stationary, in an upright position, and ready to attend court. You must be stationary, in an upright position, and ready to attend court. Please accept to join breakout room number 5. All right, I'm ready. Oh, let me see if I don't know if I got an email. Mr. Flanagan, he was gonna send an email when?
He said he was gonna do it right away.
Well, he didn't. Let me see. Let me come out and log back in. He didn't send it right away. I still don't have it. All right, I'm ready on Marino. This is case number. Oh, I could. Nope, it's not. Let's see. It's not swirling anymore. I don't have anything from them.
I'll call him.
All right, this is case number 224499701. The people of the state of Michigan versus Angel Marino. Defendant is charged with 1 count of assault or assault and battery. Today is the date set for final pretrial conference. Appearances, please.
For the record, Your Honor, Christina Ritter on behalf of the people.
And yes, Your Honor, Brandon Bird on behalf of Angel Marino. Ms. Marino, please unmute yourself and state your full name for the record.
Angel Marino.
Today is the date set for final pretrial conference, Mr. Bird.
We'd like to set this matter for a jury trial, Your Honor.
The court continues a not guilty plea on behalf of Ms. Marino, and I will set the matter for a jury trial.
Judge, may I?
You may.
Thank you. So, Judge, in my notes, I have that there was a pretrial held on March 14th of 2023, and the final pretrial was set for today, and the court required the complaining witness to be present because this case was on track for a jury trial.
Okay.
The people have noticed that there was communication between the people and the victim advocate services for a notice to be sent out to the complaining witness, Miss Paula Bradley. I don't see any other notes regarding the complaining witness reaching back out to the judge. I don't see Miss Paula Bradley in the waiting room, and the people don't have an explanation as to why the complaining witness is not present, as they were required to appear by the court. At this time, Your Honor, the people will not be able to proceed based on the complaining witness's failure to appear for today's final pretrial conference.
Respectfully request dismissal, Your Honor.
All right, today is the date set for pretrial conference. The complaining witness was required to appear. They have failed to appear, and the people have no explanation for the failure. They are unable to proceed. The court is going to grant defense counsel's motion and dismiss the matter without prejudice.
Ms. Marino, have you gave your current address to Ms. Stevenson, or is your current, have you been receiving your notices for the court?
Yes.
All right, then we're going to mail you a copy of the order of dismissal for your records, ma'am. Have a great day. Stay safe. Happy New Year to you.
Happy New Year. Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, Mr. Byrd, I'm ready on Willie.
Ready, Your Honor.
I need to look at Curitan's. I need to look at Curitan. Okay, that's a probation case. Let me see if he sent something. Mr. Flanagan.
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you call Mrs. Sciotti and see Miss Willie, sit up straight, ma'am, because we looking straight down your blouse. Mr. Flanagan, can you call Mr. Sciotti and see if he has an update on Curitan?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. All right, I'm ready on Willie. This is case number 20-459-2701, the people of the state of Michigan versus Tawana Markia Willie. The defendant is charged with 1 count of malicious destruction of a building, and today is the date set for a pretrial conference. Appearances, please.
For the record, Your Honor, Christina Ritter on behalf of the people.
Yes, Your Honor. Brandon Byrd on behalf of Tawana Willie. Ms. Willie, please unmute yourself and state your full name for the record.
Tawana Markia Willie.
Thank you. Today is the date set for pretrial conference. Mr. Byrd, how are we proceeding?
Respectfully, we're going to request dismissal if there's no complaining witness, Your Honor.
Miss Ritter.
Yeah, I just had the second schedule of the pretrial conference. I don't see the complaining witness, Mr. Ronald Graham, in the waiting room. The people have no explanation as to why Mr. Graham is not present, and at this time, Your Honor, we will not be able to proceed based on the complaining witness's failure to appear for at least the second schedule of the pretrial conference.
Today is the date set for pretrial conference. The complaining witness was required to appear. They have failed to appear. The people have no explanation as to why they have failed to appear, and they are unable to proceed. The court is going to grant defense counsel's motion and dismiss the matter without prejudice for failure of the complaining witness to appear. Mr. Byrd, we have a current address for Ms. Willie.
We do, Your Honor.
All right, then, Miss Willie, we will mail you a copy of the order of dismissal for your records, ma'am. You have a great day. Stay safe and Happy New Year to you.
Thank to you, Your Honor. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. People versus LaKendra Shante Paul. The defendant is charged with assault aggravated. Today is the date set for review. Ms.
Janice Stevenson appearing on behalf of Ms. LaKendra Paul. Ms. Paul, ma'am, please unmute and say your full name.
LaKendra Shante Paul.
Today is the date set for review, and it might as well not be. What is she waiting on, Ms. Stevenson? She's done nothing.
So she's done nothing except get enrolled in that marijuana insight program. Is scheduled for January 5th. And
she's been on probation since May.
And she, at the time that she first got put on probation in May, Ms. Paul was off work due to an ankle injury. She's back at work now, has the marijuana insight program scheduled, definitely not spending her scarce resources on marijuana because she's been tested negative. She does have a 15-month probation, Your Honor. Once she gets the gets the MIP this Friday, she will get started on the anger management. She just has had the money to pay for the classes. She does have that substantial balance remaining, Your Honor. I asked Ms. Paul if she wanted me to ask this court to let her do some community service in lieu of costs and fines. She's indicated she's working 6 days a week. Just haven't gotten back to work. So she wants to try to work on paying instead of going to class, instead of going to community service. So I would ask that the court allow the probation to continue.
All right. At this rate, though, she's not gonna. All right. I'm gonna set it for May, review for May the 14th.
Okay.
At 10 o'clock. Anything further?
Your Honor, may Ms. Paul, let me say it like this. So we're asking for permission to travel as a passenger in her sister's rental car to West Virginia for Ms. Paul's mother's birthday between January 6th and January 10th. And we stressed that I asked her, I'm like, you got money to go somewhere, but you don't have no money to pay. She's riding as a passenger in a rental car.
Spending money.
If the court lets her go to her mom's birthday, Judge, in West Virginia.
I don't care whose birthday it is, Ms. Stevenson. It could be her birthday. Here, come into court having done nothing. And they didn't just decide to go to her mother's birthday. Whatever is going on for her mother's birthday, it's been planned for a minute. And she was probably planning on going. Because you come to court on the second, asking me, can she go somewhere on the 6th? Whatever. Let me So let me say this. I'm going to let her go.
Thank you, Judge.
She was going to go anyway. I'm just stopping her from getting put in jail if they get stopped by the police on their way. Right? That's the only thing this is doing. She was going to go anyway. So let me let you know this. I'm determining based on her trip for her mother's birthday that she has an ability to pay.
Okay.
So don't ask me for community service unless you can show me a profound change in her circumstances from today to whatever day she might ask me.
Okay.
All right. Anything further?
Nothing on behalf of Ms. Paul. Thank you very much, Your Honor.
All right, then we're all set. Have a great day. Stay safe and Happy New Year.
I got a question.
Yes, ma'am.
Do I have to continue drug testing? Because you said last time 2 consecutive negative tests, you would stop drug testing, but you didn't speak on it. So I was just wondering if I should continue to drug test.
Yeah, until you come back from out of town.
Okay.
Anything further?
Anything else, Ms. Paul? Okay. Nothing further. Thank you very much, Your Honor.
So, and by my statement, I don't mean she don't have to show up for her drug test after she come back from out of town. I'm saying because I'm letting her go out of town, she gonna keep drug testing until I say she don't have to drug test no more.
Okay.
So if she want the drug test to stop, then you all have to ask me and I can look at the results of her drug test since once she come back from out of town.
Understood. Thank you,
All
Your
right.
Honor.
Then we're all set. Have a great day. Stay safe.
All comments, viewpoints, interpretations, and insights expressed in this video are for education and entertainment purposes. All individuals featured in the video are to be presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. Please do not attempt to contact, locate, or engage with any individuals featured in the video.